wedding, for your engagement, for your side away, parties, events, 10,000, 12,000, and if you're in out of country, these are selling for lakhs also. Hey, everywhere I can see the beautiful, colorful, brightness lehengas. I can tell you are watching here the bridal designer lehenga of dark contrast color. This is a bridal lehenga. Do you also need this bridal lehengas? I'm going to show you in this video. So I'm your Rani Subramanian here from KTC Manufacturers. I welcome you all to KTC Manufacturers. So as I said, bridal designer heavy colorful lehengas I'm going to show you. If you're really interested to start your lehengas business, I want to invest on lehengas and I want to take double the profit, this video will be helpful to you. So please watch this video till the end. Subscribe the channel. There's a bell icon over there. You can watch the regular videos and 24/7 you can do any segment of online shopping. COD options available. You can do payment and you can place an order domestic as well as all international services we are providing you. So please subscribe the channel and watch this video, and I'm going to show you and talk about the only designer bridal lehengas. First, I want to tell you friends where these lehengas are getting manufactured. Surat is one of the city which is located at Gujarat state in India, where many more designer lehengas are getting manufactured. And if I talk about designer lehengas, either you take designer lehengas, either you take designer party wear sarees, or either you take a designer brocade blouses, any Indo-Western pattern of any varieties of multi-work sarees or lehengas. These segments are getting manufactured in only Surat, because Surat is only exporting to all over the countries. So first I want to tell you the designer lehengas which you are giving lakhs of money and purchasing for your wedding, for your engagement, for your side away, parties, events, 10,000, 12,000, and if you are in out of country, these are selling for lakhs also. Do you accept it? So please comment me at the comment box how much you brought your designer bridal lehenga, at what cost you paid and you purchased it. Please let me know. These lehengas are getting manufactured and starts from 1,000 rupees of Indian money. What? Yes. Bridal designer lehengas are starts manufacturing price from Kesaria Textile is giving you only 1,000 rupees which starts. And what is the highest price? If I tell you the highest price is only 20k to 25k. What? Yes, 20k you can buy all over the varieties. So I'm going to show you the samples. Just take a click. If you really liked it, just call, WhatsApp and place an order. So if you want to become a retailer or you want to start your lehengas boutique shop, you can directly tie up with KTC with one call or with one WhatsApp. So first I'm going to show you. There's a beautiful lehenga which is a heavy designer of dark magenta color. You can see here it's totally the elephant jerry work has been done with the magenta, bottle green, dark golden color, stone work, chemki work, and the beautiful piping work has been done. And this is the layer which gives a ball gown pattern when the bridal wears. I'm going to show you there's a mannequin over there. So here is the look of the how the bridal looks like, semi-stitched blouse with a veil, one side veil, the bridal which wears on the Indian traditional girl such. So these such bridal lehengas are used and demanded all over India, not only all over India, even out of countries are heavy demanded. And these lehengas are getting manufactured from Surat to Singapore, Malaysia, US, Los Angeles, many Sri Lankan people all starting their lehengas business. I have a bank balance, I am a retired person, I am getting bored, I want to do something business. I am suggesting you these lehengas, you can take multiple profits, I can tell you. So these collections are heavy demand always at the market, and these lehengas have all season, all time season. You can see business, 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 and make your customers happy. Such varieties. So first I'm going to show you this one more lehenga. You have such a beautiful pastel color of this dark maroon color, and this is a heavy multi designer lehenga. See how this is. We do have a weightless. We do have a weightless also. Approximately 10 kgs you will find out the lehengas, and this is the pattern. And here is a beautiful, see the can which gives, you have a long cans also. We do have a side weightless cans also. And I'm going to show you photocopy. If you're sitting in Malaysia, if you're sitting in US, I just want to do online shopping. Will you, I get a transport shipping? Yes, KTC is giving you sea services, cargo services. Here is a beautiful photo catalog copy. You can do online purchase. There's a numbers are on the screen. Just say hi, hello through WhatsApp. Our sales executive will talk to you, will share you the according to your requirements. Such a beautiful catalog, and every catalog you will find out a KTC brand logo. And this lehenga, I'm showing you the same lehenga. This lehenga, if you want to purchase, this is a lehenga code 4733. By saying this code, you will purchase. And if this lehenga, and this is lehenga's code, you can see D number 8014 Jharkhand Diamond is the code. If you say this code, you can purchase. So this is a code of identification of every single product the KTC is giving you. That is what you have to buy with manufacturers, stable manufacturers. So this is a beautiful lehenga. This is a multicolor lehenga of traditional color. There's a yellow with a coffee brown color, rama green color, magenta color, heavy jerry work, and the peacock design has been done. And this is lehenga. If you see, oh my God, it's, yes, the bridal when they wear, no, they feel heavy, and we do have a weightless also. It's depend on the what option, what kind of lehenga you're purchasing. So such varieties also you can see. Such a beautiful layer you can see over here. So this gives a ball gown, and this is, see, I'm just showing you. Oh, this is what it gives a shape, and this is a lehenga. So one more thing I'm going to show. And these lehengas you can't buy from any other city. All are purchasing from Surat only. All are purchasing from Surat. Next pattern I'm going to show you. This is a dark wine color or dark purple, I can say. There is an entire, the long design pattern has been done. Exclusive, elegant varieties also. And this is, I can say, the kalamkari based has been done. So here is the elephant work and the JV work and the peacock. So such kind pastel works has been done. And here is every designer lehenga you will find out the can. It gives a shape of this bridal, and this is a pattern of this lehenga, and you can see how big layer. So coming up to last bridal lehenga, which is a pastel settle color with dark cherry color, I can say, and the dark red color, I can say. Maroon is also mixed. All will you have a get of different looks, I can say. Here the lace which the work has been done, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12 13 14 15 16. Oh my God, 16 layers has been done. The alternative colors of color combination, and this is a beautiful heavy designer. Every stone work, every jerkin work, every stone work, thread work, sequence work, you can see the sequence work is also done, and these are all the traditional color combinations, and such a exclusive. And this is again can, and the can also having the same piping border, and this is what it looks. So again I'm going to show you. So this is a last sample piece, and this is called, the code is 8015 is the code, and the Jharkhand Diamond and KTC logo you're seeing here. KTC brand is giving you such a beautiful lehengas. If you also want to purchase for personal purchase or either for business purchase, you can buy. No single piece. Every segment you will find out with set of 3 colors, 4 colors, and you have all free sizes. Either you take any segment, KTC is giving you at factory cost. Such collections you can buy only from manufacturers. What about damages here? No damages. Come on. If you're finding any damages also, you will have a replace option. That is what the manufacturer is exporting and giving, and we do have many more clients. You want to also directly tie up deal with direct manufacturer. If you buy from some other distributor, some other city, they are also buying from manufacturer. They have some margin. That margin you can also directly, you can deal with the manufacturer. You can purchase at factory cost, and you can run and you can take that profit. So no damages, no worries. Whatever language, you have a Hindi, you have a Telugu, you have a Tamil, Kannada, English. We have all sales online executives. We do have offline executives. You can communicate, you can see, you can take down a screenshot, you can send it, you will get all. Just see COD, cash on delivery available. unlimited net online services. You can do online net banking also, and sea services, cargo services for entire international services, and domestic also we do have. So you can directly invest with KTC Manufactures. Either you take kurti, either you take boutique, either you take only lehengas or mix and merry varieties of silk collections, anything you can buy. So I can only suggest you, if you're looking for bridal designer lehengas, tie up with KTC Manufactures, which starts from only 1,000 rupees to highest price 20 to 25,000. Please let me know at the comment box how was the samples, and let me know what kind of other lehengas you are looking for. If you really like these lehengas, please just place an order and enjoy your business. Start up with a business with KTC. Minimum investment, small investment to 50,000 you can buy out, and unlimited. You have a boutique, you have a showroom, you have a shop, you have a startup. Anything business model you can tie and you can start up. So numbers are on the screen, and you will find out in the WhatsApp everything you have a safe and secure. So no language barrier. But once you visit KTC, which is located at Surat City Ring Road, Millennium Textile Building, first floor, morning to evening, the shop will be available. You can directly come, you can touch and feel it. You can feel when your doubts, all doubts will be cleared, and you will get a confidence, you will have a hope, you will see everything entire, and regularly you can do online shopping. You can come from airport, it's just take 30 minutes. If you're coming from railway station, it takes 10 minutes. So no worries, we do have a pickup drop services also. We export every domestic as well as all international services. So I end up this video. Please let me know in the comment box how was the collections. Next video I'll come up with many more new exclusive collections. So please support and subscribe the channel. Please share with your friends, relatives, with everyone who is located out of India. So please, there's a bell icon, just click it. Please support, keep watching for regular updates. Next video I'll come up with new collections. Till then, take care. Bye bye.